everybody, local fisherman here. I got a new Frontier. I haven't posted a video in a long time because I sold the white one and then I did something crazy and bought a car, a Jetta, um, because I don't know, we were looking for something more fuel efficient, and I just couldn't do it. After about almost a year, I guess, we got rid of the car, and then I found this one. This is a 2020 Midnight Edition Crew Cab SV, with all the little bells and whistles that I like. It's not four-wheel drive, but the other one wasn't four-wheel drive either, so no biggie there. The one little thing that I found with this truck, I just brought it home about 2 weeks ago, and we just had our second child, so life has been very busy for me. And then, of course, I got my 5-year-old daughter, Evelyn, in the back seat. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, so we just picked up some Dairy Queen. So she's back there doing her thing, and I'm figured I'd hit this video up real quick and show you guys kind of what I'm working on. I got a few things in the pipeline for this truck that I haven't made videos on other things. I'm going to do LED lighting in the front. I'm going to do a separate video for all the LED lights in the back, like tail lights, cargo lights, turn signals, third brake light, that sort of thing. And then here pretty soon I'm going to do the headlights, the fog lights, and the turn signals. And then eventually I'll do like the interior lights and stuff, but those aren't very high priority. I'm also going to do a dash cam video. I was able to get an affiliate deal with a company that makes an adapter that plugs into the power mirror. So if you have a mirror that has the compass and temperature, and it's an auto dimming mirror, it'll let you plug into that, and then the dash cam can piggyback off of that. So you just have a little short USB cable to your dash cam instead of having to run something down the window and through the A pillar and to the fuse block. So it just makes everything real easy. And then I think that's about it. But what this video is about today is I had to fix a nasty, ugly sound coming from this truck, and it was a hood squeak. It was coming from the hinge on the hood, not the side hinges, I'm sorry, but the latch in the front. And it was driving me nuts. And I didn't hear it on the test drive, or else I would have been like, something's weird, So after doing some research online and going on a Nissan Frontier Club Facebook page, some people had mentioned, hey, it might be the hood latch. So I went and looked, and I'll post a little picture here, just here in a second, that shows the area that I'm talking about. So what I did was I went and put on some Lucas Red and Tacky lubricant, and I'll put a picture of that as well. That basically just kind of lubricate those areas where metal and metal contact is happening. And there's also these little knobs that you can adjust on the hood that lets you kind of adjust the tightness of the hood when it closes. So what happens on these trucks, actually this is a very common issue, and a lot of people probably have this, is when you those loosen up over time, or the rubber breaks down, it gets kind of hard from the heat and cold, and it just kind of squeaks. It almost sounds like a broken record. So right here, I'll play the sound. I was driving in the truck yesterday, so you could hear it. And that was yesterday. So this morning, I went and put the grease, and I adjusted everything, and that noise is gone. So I've been driving it. We went and bought some fireworks, and now we got some ice cream, and I haven't heard the noise at all. So I am so glad that was it. So if any of you guys are having issues with the squeaky noise that played here earlier in this video, that's it. It's got to be it. Now, it could be the side hinges also. That's less common, but someone did mention theirs was doing that, where you could look on it and see where it had been rubbing. So what they did was they kind of bent that apart just slightly to where it wouldn't be touching, and then if you really want to, you can add a little bit of lubricant there. But I don't like to just go and lube everything. If you can pinpoint the sound, it's better just to do it there, and then of course just make the adjustments to the hood supports that I mentioned earlier in the video. But that's it, guys. I have more videos coming. And like in all my Nissan Frontier videos, if you have any prayer requests, I'm always open to that. You guys can leave me a comment below and I will reach out to you, and we can talk. If you have a need, or you want to talk to a pastor, if you just need someone to talk to, if you want someone to pray for you, I'm available for that. So I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and this one's a short one. I'm going to try to keep it under 6 minutes here. So you guys have a blessed new year, and I look forward to making more videos for y'all, and you guys have an awesome year. Thank you. Say bye. See ya.